Hello children, today we are going to do a pen work, okay, and after that we will do coloring with the sketch pen, okay, with the water and sketch pen. First what you have to do, you have to take pencil, then like your first letter of the name you have to write very big. For example, my name is Meenal, so I will write M. So I have written M, okay, then I will make it double, means double line of it, making bold. Understood? Now make it very light with the eraser. See, I erase it and it's very light. Then you have to take black pen. If you don't have black pen, you can use sketch pen also. Then outline of this. See, I done it outline. Now inside this you can make any design, like any pattern. Any small designs or any pattern you like, you can make that. Any design, any pattern you have to fill with this all. See children, like this patterns, girls can draw any designs of mehendi, boys can draw like this, or either I am showing you like this. See, like lines, patterns, like in the walls are there, na walls painting in there. Some any technique, any pattern you can draw in your name alphabet, okay. Now next step, what you have to do, you have to take sketch pen, water, sketch pen, water, and one painting brush, okay, and this polythene sheet, okay. See, polythene, sketch pen, water, brush, and waste cloth, okay. Now any color you can do. If you want to do rainbow color, you can do. If you want to do 2-3 colors, you can do that also, okay. So I am doing 3-4 colors, okay, like pastel colors. These are light colors, na, these are pastel colors. So I am doing this pastel colors in it. With this colors I am doing on it. First I will do orange. You have to rub in the polythene. The polythene is there, na, you have to rub the color sketch pen on it. See, we done it. Now you have to keep this side. Now take the water and brush and you have to spread like this, okay? Don't spread it because the sketch pen will be spread. So lightly. In the white area you can spread it, but inside the letter you have to spread like this. See? Water. You can do tap also. If you don't want to do, you can tap it. See, we done the tapping. Now keep that polythene poly sheet on the alphabet. See, like this. We kept and tap it or spread it. Now take away the polythene sheet and keep it separate, and then again take your brush with the water and you can spread literally like this. See? See, like this. See children, like this, and don't rub as much, otherwise the paper will be come out like this. See, dots are there na, so let it be dry, okay, then automatically this will be come out, okay. Hope so you like it children. You can do it any color with the sketch pen, anything, or you can repeat it like single I keep here na, you can do cross also. Again you have to rub sketch pen on the polythene and again you can keep this like this, okay. Try it according to your sheet, make it big, not small, okay. Thank you.